Peace tech lovers, TechTube here back with a new video. Today I have good news for you guys. I'm talking about those who own a phone with a bad battery or a cracked screen and thinking of replacing their phone with something modern yet affordable. Rumor has it the Pixel 4a is going to launch with a price tag of $399, and to find more about it, let's get started. Hello guys, Google is one respected company when it comes to software and hardware solutions. Since the launch of the first Google Pixel phone, also known as the first generation, back in October 2016, it had a very nice response, as it packed the best-in-class camera and swept everyday performance. And this has been trending till today, 4 years later, and we have the Google Pixel 4a. This phone is the best alternative for Android users looking for a Pixel phone experience at a lower cost. After we have seen Apple's newest product, the iPhone SE 2, it's now more than ever phone makers are targeting people on tighter budgets, who might otherwise have just held onto their old phone for another year. Starting with the Pixel 4a design leaked from a Cupin YouTube channel, and the first impression I got from this phone that it looks tight with a nice curves to it, which means the grip on this phone will be so easy and will be less likely to slip off your hands and fall accidentally. The second thing that I have noticed is the 3.5mm headphone jack, which they have decided to keep. Me personally prefer this as an option in my phone. Before we get too deep into this, how about you support my channel by clicking this subscribe button right now, and that will be much appreciated. So let's get back to it. The camera specs of the Pixel 4a show a borrowed setup from previous Google flagships. You get a rear 12.2 megapixel Sony sensor with an f1.73 aperture lens and 1.4 micrometer pixel size. This is the same camera sensor as the Pixel 4, Pixel 3a and previous models. On the front you have a hole punch front camera with 8 megapixel Sony selfie sensor with an f2.0 aperture lens and 1.14 micrometer pixel size. It too is the same selfie camera found on the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3a. Considering the Pixel 4a maintains a flagship grade camera setup, you can expect to make some pretty good photos with it. In addition to its top-notch camera specs, the phone also gains some of the same camera modes as its older siblings. You get Google's fabulous portrait mode, the Pixel 4 astrophotography mode, night sight and HDR+. By the look of the sample photos, the camera setup on the Pixel 4a seems very promising, more so because the phone used for capturing these images is not running the final software version. The final units of the phone could produce even better images with the tuned retail software release. Exactly what chipset will be powering the Google Pixel 4a is little unclear. Some leaks have suggested it will be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, while others have speculated it might be the Snapdragon 765. It is also expected to have 6GB of RAM and 64GB of built-in storage. If it's the Snapdragon 765 chipset, the Pixel 4a could become an affordable 5G phone, as that chipset is capable of running the next-gen internet technology, and it will be added to the list of the 2020 cheapest 5G phones. Interestingly, this mid-range phone could be Google's first 5G phone, so we will see how this is going to unfold. For the tech savvies, the phone has been spotted on the Geekbench benchmarking software, and the device scored a respectable single-core score of 2529 and multi-core score of 6366. The leak comes directly from Geekbench's website, which lists a device called the Google Sunfish, which is a commonly known code name for the Pixel 4a. Also, while testing on the Google Pixel 3a, it gave a multi-core score of 5070, so expect this to be much more powerful than that device. For the release date, usually the Pixel phone is being released around May, and one report from a German site said that the phone will launch more specifically on May 22nd in Europe via mobile carrier Vodafone. If the timing is accurate, we are a few weeks away from seeing the Pixel 4a in hands. So that's it guys for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also leave me your comments below. Finally, stay safe, stay home, see you in the next video. Peace out.